I got bitten by a street dog during ninth month of my pregnancy, and here is what happened. I love to feed and groom street animals. One day when I was brushing a street dog, he just found it uncomfortable, so he turned and bit my hands. I admit it was 200% my fault. Immediately I washed my hands in running water with Dettol for good 10 minutes. The next day I went and took TT injection, which is generally given during pregnancy. I didn't take anti-rabies injection as my street dog didn't have rabies. And finally, when my water broke, I took the blessing of the same dog, fed him biscuit, and left for the hospital. By God's grace, both myself and baby were healthy and absolutely doing fine.